We're gonna make fried chicken. I'm so excited.
Just like a fish.
Yep. Okay, well, we've been recording and we haven't said a darn thing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen. Rich is with us again today because we scored a huge sale on boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So what we're going to do today, I did so again. What we're going to do today is chop up this chicken, get rid of any of the yuck on it that we don't want to eat, and we're going to make fried chicken. I'm so excited. It is my favorite
That stuff.
favorite thing to make. It's my favorite thing to eat. Not my most favorite to cook in the house because it is kind of messy, but messes can be clean, so it's okay. Where do I begin?
You should show them the technique that you told me to do.
This chicken breast is quite thick, and we don't want it to cook or fry for an extreme amount of time. I'm going to fillet this. So like I was explaining to Rich, if you hold your knife flat and try to cut straight down the center with your hand flat so you're not cutting yourself. We're going to cut all the way through. Now, I personally don't worry about the chicken tender itself. We're going to consume it regardless. So I just leave them together. And sometimes I will cut them into strips this way. Sometimes we'll cut them into squares to make like chicken nugget style because we will be eating some of this for dinner tonight, and then we will be freezing some. So we'll get those finished up and be back soon.
And then kind of mutilated that piece, but fried chicken's fried chicken.
Yes.
It don't need to look good. Just need to taste good.
Right. Now that all of our chicken is chopped up into chunks for chicken nuggets, and we ultimately decided here. Well, that's not a good example.
Oh, no, I mean,
To do like, sorry, what were you gonna say?
oh no, just, the family prefers tenders over chunk or the big giant pieces of chicken.
So like chicken strips?
Yeah, we like chicken strips, but
Yeah.
what I
Okay.
call
The tender, but we kept the tender with the rest of the breast. So, I mean, they're just long chicken strips. It's just what we prefer. You chop up your chicken however you like your chicken. So, okay. We're going to make our dredge. And I just start without measuring because I'm horrible at measuring. A ton of flour, and forget the scoop because we're making a lot of dredge.
for a lot of chicken.
A lot of chicken, yes. We did do the math, and it's about 20 pounds of chicken. So I'll take this and go over to my seasoning drawer. Okay, so from our spice drawer, we have, actually I should probably start with a ton of flour. I never actually measure. I just dump a bunch of flour into a bowl. Bunch of garlic salt. Some garlic powder. Some pepper. I usually use a ratio. So if I use 1 cup of all-purpose flour, I'll use a half a cup of cornstarch. But since I'm almost out, we're just gonna dump in what we have. Sounds good. And my all-time secret ingredient, I don't know if anybody else uses this, but I love Old Bay on everything but probably bagels. So a bunch of that. And also I did start heating up my oil since that will take a hot minute while I'm doing this. And the way I know if it has enough Old Bay and garlic is the old sniff test. And that's not enough for my liking. So a couple of glugs of that. Oh, okay. Smells yummy. And then into another bowl. Let's get this out of the way. Our eggs. Ooh, wrong. That would have been horrible. So 4 eggs, and we do keep the shells. That way we can add them to our compost pile or grind them up really, really well and put them around the base of our tomato plants. That's good calcium for the plants and a good wash. And to get some nice craggly pieces, you know, like the big chunks that are sticking on the outside of the chicken, we're going to add in some of our egg mixture. So we'll probably have to go grab some more eggs, but that's okay. So mix that up in your egg mixture. I am like losing this flour battle today. I wonder if you can see this. Okay, so like this. That's going to attach to your chicken and be super delicious. So for bigger pieces of chicken, I like to stay around 350. Still around 350 for the long chicken strips, maybe a little bit less. Rich is over here frying the chicken nuggets, and we're about 325-ish, 330. So I dredge in flour first. I'll just show you a couple pieces and then get them frying up. Move on my junk. And then it goes into the egg mixture and then back into the flour. And smash. I did notice before that if I wasn't smashing the chicken the second time I put it in the flour, it didn't help those little craggly pieces stick to it. Let's see if I can show you. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, it's going to go all over the floor. It might be too bright. Okay, so like this. Holy guacamole, now we're up to 400. That's way too hot. We'll break. I think we're good to go. I added just a little bit more oil to get it back down to temp. Okay, while those are frying, I'm going to wash up really quick and then we'll show you how Rich is doing. He's frying up in our electric skillet. So the pile Rich has left, what he's putting into the griddle is flour and egg mixture. And we'll go around here. Chicken, chicken, chicken.
Well, I will say on one of these electric skillets, just watch your temp because I had to bump mine up to 400.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I just wonder if it's just because it's electric and it drops the heat so fast. And then it actually sits in there longer than probably over there. So.
Well, that is a cast iron skillet.
Right.
So that's going to heat up and hold the heat.
They heat a long time on that.
Yeah. Wanted to show you guys how much chicken we have fried so far. We have this. Some still left in here, in here. We have all of this chicken in here, and chicken in here. And I went ahead and got my little vacuum sealer hooked up. It's the Power XL. We are not sponsored by them for this video, but we're going to vacuum seal. This is chicken, 16 nuggets that I went ahead and vacuum sealed. So let me show you how I do that. So because we purchased the whole roll, I have to make my own bags, which isn't ideal, but they still work. So that's okay, right? Right. So make your bag any size you want. Slice it up. Hopefully that's big enough. It works. And there we have it. Vacuum sealed chicken nuggets ready to go into the freezer anytime you want a snack, anytime you're too busy to make dinner, which is really awesome.
It's been a long night.
3 hours and 15 minutes of frying 20 pounds of chicken. Well, we do have this left to go.
Yeah.
Rich is going to keep frying. I'm going to make vacuum seal bags, filling them, vacuum sealing them, and popping them into the freezer. So again, to end this video, we want to say thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this. You got to try this. It's very good.
Very good. All right.
Hang on, but whatever.
You'll find it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. So, anywho, thanks again for watching today's video of fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
If you could, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Come back next time. Okay, bye.
Later.